thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions. So,
Okay.
why did you go solar?
Well, every month that we would get our electric bill, we noticed that the fuel adjustment costs were going up and up and up on it. And we checked into the solar. We wanted to try to harvest the solar through the solar panels and try to keep our electric bill down. Uh, and basically, what I tell everybody is you may be changing money for money. However, the fuel adjustment costs that keep going up on the regular bill are not evident here in the solar panel bill because the solar panel bill remains the same every month. So therefore, we're lowering our electric bill um, and getting the use of the solar panels out of it.
Amazing, amazing. So, with this being said, how would you say your experience was initially with your sales and your project managers?
Everything went well. It got delayed a little bit during the month of January, which it was supposed to have been installed before the first of the year, so I wasn't able to get the solar credit on my tax bill. But we should get it this year. But at the same time, I had double knee replacement in January, so the installation came after I came home from the hospital, so that all went well, and it was all um, hands free as far as I mean, a turnkey on my part. They just would come in and ask a few questions, and they took care of everything, so I didn't have to do anything but watch.
Right, right. Amazing. Okay. So, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with Green Home System?
Sure, I would. I have mentioned it to a few people. Um, Most people think it's too expensive, but I can't convince them that you're paying that high electric bill and there's no out of pocket cost on this, so it really isn't that expensive if you look at it, in the long run.
Exactly. Exactly. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time today. And I think you did a fabulous job answering all of these questions for me.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.